Okay, Hanji bete, raise your hands. We are going to discuss question answers of chapter 1, how the camel got its hump. Sia, read the first question and tell the answer bete.
What tasks do you think were assigned to the dog and the ox? The dog was assigned the task of fetching and carrying. The ox was made to pull the fields.
Of fetching and carrying what?
Loads.
Stick. He had a stick in his mouth. We have read it in the chapter that he had a stick in his mouth and he asks the camel to fetch and carry like rest of them, means कि उसका task था sticks को pick and carry करना. So that task was assigned to him. Okay. हाँ जी. Next. Mahir.
Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? The camel lived in the middle of the desert because it did not want to work. It ate sticks, thorns, and prickles, and when anybody spoke to it, it said humph and nothing more.
Right. This is the right answer because he did not want to work. He just ate prickles and sticks, and just his reaction to anyone's question was right answer. Hanji Harjeet. Next, bete.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड
Beta,
बोलना है.
it you have to speak question number third on page 3. Comprehension check 1 हम कर रहे हैं. What made the dog, the horse, and the ox very angry?
The dog, the horse, and the ox were angry because the man, their master, told them to work double time to make up for the camel's idleness.
Harjeet, your voice was not clear. So I would like to take answer from someone else. You, whatever I could get, it is just right, but it was not clear, right? Hanji, Vidya, boliye beta. The same question, answer of the same question.
The dog and that made the horse and the ox and the dog angry because they have to work double time to make up for the camel, because camel do not do any work whole the day, and he sat in the middle of the desert.
Right answer, that man called all the three animals, the dog, the horse, and the ox, and told them to work double time to make up, because the camel did not work. So all those three animals, they got angry. Hanji. Next, Priyanshi, boliye beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning beta.
What did the jinn know the horse was complaining? How did the jinn know the horse was complaining against the camel? The jinn came to know when the horse said, "There's a thing in the middle of your desert with a long neck and a long legs, and he hasn't done a stroke of work since Monday morning. He won't rot."
Right answer. When they gave the description of camel, that that animal has long neck and long legs and he doesn't work, just sat in the middle of the desert, then jinn came to know that they were complaining against the camel. Right answer. Hanji. Next, Nishka, boliye beta. Page number 5, first question.
The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to you about them? The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. It suggested that he was very proud of his back and himself.
Right, that he was proud of his beauty. He just looked at himself in the uh, he just looked at his reflection in the pool of water. Anyone else who wants to add anything in it can unmute. You can unmute yourself if you want to add anything, because everyone has raised hand. So this is the complete answer, that this suggests that camel loved himself. He just looked at his own reflection in the pool of water and praised himself, right? Next, Jannat बोलिए बेटा.
The camel said hump repeatedly. How did it affect him? The jinn was trying to remind the camel about the work which the lazy animal avoided to do. The camel kept saying again and again, which made the jinn angry. The so the jinn puffed the camel's back and made it to a huge hump for repeating the word hump over again and not performing the tasks assigned to him.
Right answer. It affected because the camel gave the same reaction to the jinn also as he gave it to the other animals in the desert. And the jinn had already heard about his reaction from other animals. And when he received the same reaction, he was angry and he made his back puffed up. And he also informed the camel that now he can work continuously with the help of his hump, as it would help him to live without working for 2 to 3 days. Without eating, sorry, not without working, without eating. He means he could continuously work for 3 days. हाँ जी. Next, अभिनंदन बोलिए बेटा.
What, according to the jinn, was the use of the hump? According to the jinn, the use of the hump wa- was to store food to work for many days without eating food.
Right, but I want again a proper answer. Arush, do you know the answer, bete? Arush, do you know the answer? No response. Jay Gupta, बोलिए बेटा.
According to the gym, the use of the hump was that it would help the camel to live without eating and drinking food and water for 3 days so that he can complete.
Yes, so that he can complete his work. Right answer. This is the correct answer. Hanji, last question on this page. Sia, बोलिए बेटा. Read the question first.
He has never yet learned to behave. In the lights of this, what is the writer's opinion about the camel? According to the writer, the camel is still a very lazy animal that is unwilling to work. After he got the hump, the jinn asked him to go out of the desert to help the other three animals. It seems that the camel still did not behave himself and worked lazily in the desert itself. It is for this reason that he was still unable to complete the pending work of those 3 missed days, and he continued carrying the hump and living in the desert.
Right answer. Anyone else who has his own opinion about this answer? Unmute कर सकते हैं. Asiya, your answer is right. Hanji, anyone else who wants to add something or who has a different opinion? No? Sia, I would like you to repeat the answer once.
Okay, ma'am. According to the writer, the camel sorry. According to the writer, the camel is still very lazy animal that is unwilling to work. After he got the hump, the jinn asked him to go out of the desert to help other three animals. It seems that the camel still did not behave himself and worked lazily in the desert itself. It is for this reason that he was still unable to complete the pending work of those 3 days of those 3 missed days, and he continued carrying the hump and living in the desert.
Right answer, Vidya. So I hope all the answers are clear to you all. If anyone has any doubt.